DONGTAI always adheres to customer demand-oriented, from production to delivery, strictly controls the whole process, and ensures that each reducer is delivered to customers safely and efficiently. In the packaging process, DONGTAI adopts scientific and rigorous protection solutions for different models of reducers, customized shockproof and moisture-proof packaging design, lined with environmentally friendly cushioning materials, and reinforced with solid wooden boxes or high-strength cartons to effectively cope with bumps and climate change in transportation. The precision parts are also vacuum rust-proof packaging to extend the service life of the equipment. In terms of delivery process, DONGTAI accurately checks the order information, is equipped with a professional logistics team, and supports various transportation modes such as land transportation and sea transportation. Whether it is domestic orders or overseas exports, it responds efficiently. DONGTAI Reducer aims at zero packaging defects and zero delay in delivery to help global customers produce and operate worry-free.